Good morning, children. As you know, we have done lots of revision from lesson number 6 to 10 in English literature. Now, we are going to do revision as per the question paper. Not the exact question paper, but the sample of the paper. That is called MCQ, multiple choice questions. For this you have to read every chapter from lesson 6 to 10 so that you are able to give the right answer of the questions from the book. Learn each and everything, even the words meanings, true and false, match the following, and so on. So children, today we are going to do revision from lesson 6 to 10. Some sample questions I am going to send you. You try to solve those questions so that you are able to do it in the examination. Thank you. Lesson number 6, the microbe. You have learned this poem, and if you have not learned, learn it as soon as possible so that there are some questions from the chapter. Word meanings: microbe, a tiny living thing. Make him out, see him with great difficulty. Sanguine, cheerfully optimistic. Beneath, under. Curious, strange, unusual. Tufted with hair and strange, unusual. Tufted with hair tied together. Tender, soft, assure, say with certainty. Many sanguine people hope to see a microbe through a stethoscope, barometer, microscope and telescope. The answer is microscope. The microbe does not have 100 rows of teeth, 7 tails with purple and pink spots, a greenish body with scales on it, tender green lashes. Each of the microbe tails has a pattern on its. The answers you have to choose: thorns, pattern, sting, hairs. Match the following people listed below with what they do. Like, what does an author do? Chef, journalist, anchor, judge, librarian, lyrics, receptionist, pharmacist, priest. Now, answers to your words is given on your right hand side. You match the column. Don't make arrows like this. Like when you write a word author. The author means write for newspapers. Author means write books. Chef, cook food in a restaurant. You write the answer in front of the words. Please don't make arrows, otherwise you will get 0 marking. The famous villager. Lesson 7, page 37. Choose the correct answer on page number 39. Which of the following is true? C answer. Dr. Prasad led a simple life. When Dr. Prasad got off at the station, he was wearing a cotton dhoti, kurta and a Gandhi cap. The station master did not allow Dr. Prasad to make the telephone call because he thought Dr. Prasad was a villager and did not take him seriously.